Team video 3, I'm so sorry, it keeps ending for some reason. It's not got enough storage again. So I just delete a couple videos and let's drop this. We don't want to waste too much time. And by the way, go see part 1. I don't want to hit you guys, so I'm doing it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, its wheel came off! Okay, chuck it back up and let's do attempt 3. Okay, so the wheel came off, as you can see, right there. Okay, let's go in 3, 2, 1. Oh, another wheel! Okay. Whoa, nope, okay. Attempts number 5 or 4, I don't know. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I don't know what that is, but okay, let's go.
Another wheel that came off, and then we got.
Okay, this is the damage. The front came off. I think. Okay, that's sketchy.
It wasn't even breaking.
3, 2, 1.
Nothing.
That didn't do anything. Okay.
Fell on your head and it landed and it stayed there forever. And then we
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
go.
Something came off.
Whoa.
But I don't think much, so I'm going to go somewhere else to film. Okay, guys, I'm still on the roof. There's no room in there. I'm going to grab this. Hopefully this is the time it breaks. So, yeah. 3, 2, 1. I don't know what that did. Let's go back down. Okay, you guys are going to jump into my bed. So, okay. We'll go see the damage, and then if it's not good, we'll just smash it with an axe. Okay, guys, it didn't actually do much. It didn't do much, so we're going to smash it with an axe. Okay, so I'm going to be smashing it with this mini axe, and let's see how that goes. In 3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Oh my god, the whole thing.
Oh my god.
Split it apart.
Wow.
Okay, let's go in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god.
Oh my god. What happened?
Okay.
That was
So-
it. Wait, show the alarm clock.
No, wait. So, bits everywhere. We have to clean all this up, which sucks. Yeah, there's just bits everywhere. Should we smash it one more time, guys, for the viewers? Okay. So, that
Battery.
was just my charge.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna smash it in 3, 2, 1. Crazy. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Okay.
That's gone.
That's smashed.
That was sketchy.
But it's not the end.
Yes, it is.
No,
That's not.
the clock.
Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, these are all the bits. Broken, everything.
Film, yeah.
And now I'll show you my car. Okay, guys, this is the rest of my broken bits and stuff. So, goodbye. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one, and
Peace out. Goodbye.
peace. Subscribe, do whatever you can to help me out, and goodbye.
Subscribe to me.